My mission is to create a viable network of people around the world who create extraordinary lives. And that you become a beacon, an example for others to say, wow, he did it, they did it, they can do it, maybe I can do it. Tigran, where's Tigran at? Tigran, come up here.
And I did what any normal person would do. I started Googling, YouTubing. How do I make money? How do I stop doing drugs? And your video popped up. My life was changed forever. Yeah.
The very first 10X Growth Con I came by myself, not knowing a single person. I literally went from going to see him at a growth conference to now riding in a Ferrari and getting a ride on the choppa.
See, look, money follows attention. Money follows attention. If you can't get attention, you can't get money. The amount of money you have today has nothing to do with the job you have. It has something to do with how much attention you can get.